and welcome back to We Learn Math. So today we are determining another equation which is the integration of 3 over x to the power 2 dx. Now if you look at this one here and the one we did the other last time, it will be tell you that it's different. That one was straight, but this one is a fraction. We have a fraction here. So now how are we going to determine this one? So here we go. So we have the integration of the integration of 3 over x to the power 2 dx. So how do we do this one? So we have integration here. So if you look at this equation here, we have 3 over x to the power 2. Now if you go back to the laws of indices, this 3, this one will be like 3, this 3 will be the whole number 3, then this there will be 1 here. We'll do like this, 1 over x to the power 2. If we put it the way it's supposed to be, we're going to simply, if you want to return to the original equation or to the original fraction here, it will be 3 multiplied by that is equal to 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Then here we assume we have 1 over 1 here, so 1 multiplied by x to the power 2 is that one here. So now the laws of indices says that if we want this to be a whole number, we want this to be a whole number. Remember when we are integrating in the first instance, we said something like a x to the power n over n plus 1 plus c. So this is how we want it to be. Now how are we going to put it like this? We have n plus 1 here, we have plus 1 there. Yes. Now since we want this fraction to be a whole number, so what we are going to do is we are going to say 3. Now this here, this there, so we are going to put it here this side over, we're going to put it this side. You have 1 over x to the power 2. Now we want this to be a whole number. Now the laws of indices, when we go to the laws of indices, this will simply be x to the power negative 2. X to the power negative 2. So x to the power negative 2, this one here will simply give us this one here if we go to the laws of indices. Now bringing it this way, since we have our 3 here, so x will simply be x to the power negative 2. As simple as that. So we've shown like that. So now and then we're going to put the x there, and then so we're simply going to say 3x to the power negative 2. Now remember this one here, so 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c, our c here, not forgetting our c here. So how are we going to do that now? So we're simply going to say, if we put our 3 there, we're going to say 3x. So what is negative 2 plus 1? It will give you negative 1 over, and then here again it's negative 1, like that, plus c. So this fraction, this is an improper fraction, of course, so we are simply going to say -1 into that. This will give us -1, this whole number -1 into 3 there, into +3. So this will give us negative 3 x to the power -1 plus c. Of course, this could be our final answer, but we have negatives all over, so we are going to turn this into a positive number, or we want to turn this 3 into a whole number, a positive whole number, the way it is here. So we are going to say, we'll go back again to the rows of indices. So now we are going to say this 3 here. Remember this? Remember, if you come here, now since we have this on our answer, this one here, now we want to turn it back to this. We want to turn it back to this. So how are we going to do that? We're simply going to say -3 over, remember there will be an over here, since negative here becomes an over here, and then there is 1 here, so we're simply going to say over, or what we are going to say is -3 multiplied by 1 over x. So here we had x to the power 2, and this is how we got. So now here we are going to say 1 over 2. Of course, we have a 1 here, which is supposed to be here to the power 1, but since it's 1, so we are going to just leave it the way it is, like that. So if we multiply this, multiply by 1, we are going to say, we're going to have -3 multiplied by 1, it's -3, and then here is over 1 here, and then you're going to say 1 multiplied by that, it gives us x plus our c. So this is how you answer. So this is our final answer. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and support the work, and expect more to come. My name is Sir Kameya, and goodbye. Thank you so much. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.